Hey there, it's Top 3 with Bri the IBCLC, and today I want to talk to you about low milk supply. My first tip for you is, first of all, is your milk supply truly low? A lot of times parents will think that their milk supply is low, and so they'll get nervous and they'll supplement their baby with either formula or some saved breast milk away from them. And remember that your body works 100% on a supply and demand system. So anytime that your baby is away from you and getting a bottle elsewhere, that is sending a signal to your body that, oh, we don't need that much breast milk. And then your supply can slowly decrease, and then your need to supplement goes up. And you see how that can really easily turn into a downward spiral and really cause you to have true milk supply. So the first thing to think about is your baby really not getting enough milk. Sometimes that can be tricky because we don't have see-through breasts. We can't see exactly how much milk is going in to your baby. So there's things that you can look at so that you can feel really confident that your baby is getting enough at the breast. One thing you can look at is wet and poopy diapers. What goes in must come out. That's not coming from nowhere. So if your baby is having good wet and poopy diapers, that is a great indicator that your baby is getting enough at the breast. Another thing you can look at is your baby gaining weight? Is her head circumference growing? Her length growing? Is she following her own growth curve? Is she having periods of being awake and alert during the day? These are all indicators that your baby is doing great at the breast and getting enough. Second tip is, if you do find that you do truly need to boost your supply, I'm gonna tell you a way that works for every mom in the entire world to boost supply, and that is increased breast stimulation. Now that might be tricky to hear because a lot of parents are like, well, what supplement can I take, or what can I eat, or what can I do? And some of those things are tricky because one supplement could work really well for one mom, but then actually be harmful to another. So what I always say is the best thing to try first is to increase stimulation to your body, because again, your body works on supply and demand. The more that you're stimulating your breasts, the more your body will say, okay, we need to make more milk, especially when those breasts are being drained. So you can stimulate your breasts through more frequent feeds, through more pumping sessions, through hand expression, through breast massage. Any and all of these things are gonna be a great way to send the signal to your body to start making more breast milk. My third tip for you, and this is most important that I hope you remember, is trust in your body. Statistically speaking, you can do this. You can have a full milk supply for your baby and exclusively breastfeed them. So most importantly, just trust in your body, trust in your abilities. You can totally do this. I would love to hear in the comments what other topics you would like me to talk about, and I'll catch you guys next time.